Okay, what are you up to, Devil? Oh, oh, here they come. Oh my goodness, they know when I go live. They just come running. Hi everybody. Wow, eh? We've been busy. We've been fighting over laps and getting into trouble and eating, and you can't sit on my lap because the cockatoos are going to come. He just wants to sit on my lap now. You can't sit on my lap all the time. I'm a busy mama. I'm a busy bird mama. This is the cook. This is the cuddly cookie. Like, you know how we wish Cookie was cuddly? This is Cuddle, Mr. Cuddles. I don't know. She's trying to. She sat on one leg and he sat on the other, and she seemed unbothered. But he did flash his tail in front of her, and she was tempted. You want to eat last night's pizza? See how he taps his foot when he wants to be really cute. I have to sit on the floor so everyone's happy. We started watching Squid Games last night. Who watched that series? We got through 2 episodes. It was really good. It's always good when Brad and I can find a show that we watch together. Because we have a nice dinner. Then we make popcorn. Okay, thank you so much. What are you doing? You think she's moved to second place? She would never let that happen. She wants his pizza from last night. Do you want this from last night? There you go. He didn't eat it. Brad said, are you kidding? No way. He's like, no, don't take my pizza that I don't like. He's just, don't take my pizza. Like, his food is his, Coco, okay? He shared. Okay, no. Okay, you guys, no. Here, Coco, come sit with Mom. He doesn't want to share. You really think Coco would let herself be second place? She's the act that never ends. I'm definitely busier with bird care. On the fundraiser, I'll put the total tonight. I just got a request from the nest that they need food, and that's kind of one of the more expensive things, so they want more food than toys. He's guarding his food that he doesn't eat. You can't be bossy with me, okay? Hi. How's everyone today? Yeah, I think he'll stand up for himself more and more. I've been very productive today, right? Lots of ideas, eh, guys? Yeah. I sorted out all my mixes, my new mixes for my website. Focus on the food and toys more. Hi. I got my cafe going. What's the temperature in Los Angeles, mate? I had to order. I have all these. Oh, lazy. Nice. I'd love to be lazy. Well, actually, I've been pretty good lazy. I haven't gone to my exercise class in a week. I don't plan to go till end of the week. Maybe skip another week and then get back. Hey, Kimber, I haven't seen you on here in a while. Okay, so for those of you, oh, it's 60, but feels like 40. 60 is cold. 50 in Michigan. So for the fundraiser, so what was the approximate amount? It was it closer to 6,000? That was in Canadian dollars. So when I order the food, it's in U.S. dollars. So I'll order a whole bunch of food in U.S. dollars, and then whatever is left, I'll convert to Canadian and order with a choice the remaining amount. I'll post all the numbers. What's Rue up to? She says they go through 1 5-pound bag of Harrison's a day. And do you know how much that is a day? Thank you, Kay. If you buy Harrison's retail, it's like $60 or $70. But I buy it wholesale for $22 US. So she'll be able to get lots of food. Oh, and nuts. They like to have their medicine in nuts, so they need nuts. Right, Oakley? Ah, we still got to get your toys. I'm trying to see how he uses his cage. Still, he's so cute. When I tuck him into his sleep cage, I'll film it tonight. You guys can see. But I don't want to film too much Oakley because then people are going to say, you like Oakley more than Coco. But you guys have all seen Coco go to bed. He has a sleep cage and he just loves to cuddle into the... Thank you, Kimber. He just loves to cuddle into the blanket. Oh, Sandra, thank you. Oh, is that hearts? There we go. Thank you, Linda. Yeah, she says she stresses out about the food. We're not doing anything for New Year's this year. It's kind of nice just to not go out a lot. We haven't even had below 0 here yet. Our banana tree's going strong. Thank you, Wanda. Oh, you guys, thanks so much. Oakley has no shenanigans. He has only the stars party doesn't work anymore. I don't know why. Do you guys get the stars if we have the stars party? Thank you, Kimber. There's no shenanigans when he goes to bed. He just cuddles right into his like soft bed and snuggles in. You want to be closer? Elmira Christmas Market? Oh my gosh. I used to live by there. In Elora. Oh, Elora. Christmas Market. Where was it? Where was it? My mom had a store there. It's okay, Kimber. Thank you, Donna. Thank you, Nayoka. Hi, everyone. Thank you, Kimber. Brad did not get me oak. I get all my birds. All by myself. They all come to me. All these little special needs guys. And we're going to have the Coco Brew lap off. Wait, hold on. Why don't you preen her? Oh, she is. Look. You gotta be gentle though, right, Coco? In the mill area. When I was younger, we used to go to the mill, and they had this brandy, warm brandy, and then it had a cinnamon stir stick. I don't know. It was really good. My mom used to be good friends with the owner of the mill, but it changed hands. It's commercially owned now. Okay, look at this, you guys. Newman was only bothered once by Oakley. There's a lot of preening to do on her, eh? She's a basket case. Hi. You guys seeing this? Hi, Lisa. Hi, everyone joining us. She won't bite you if you're gentle. You guys, we're really witnessing something special in the last week or two. Coco can't help herself. I think it feels good to them to have birds. Preen them. She wants a turn, Coco. This has just started over the last week and a half. Before Christmas it started. They started playing together. She likes it. Yeah, they bond together when you lose the worst was, uh, when Lucky Lou passed away. I remember Coco cried at night because she was lonely. She always had Lou with her. And then it was so sad when Cookie passed away. Newman went and sat in Cookie's spot. Oakley's doing fantastic. He's a bit of a spoiled brat, though, now. He wants to sit on my lap all the time. Yeah, anyways, um, that's what I think is, they do grieve. Birds grieve for sure. Izzy grieves the hardest when Ellie passed. Izzy, what, grieved 2 or 3 months? Remember? Do you guys remember? Well, you're getting a lot of feathers, aren't you? I know exactly, Palmate. I guess it takes a while. Well, how long did it take Newman and Cookie to be friends? 2 or 3 years? Oh, rescue and rehome. Oakley's a rehome. Coco's a rescue. Rue's a rescue. Kiwi's a rehome. Sid is a rehome. I tell you guys, if you ever get a chance to get a bird, the best one to get is one of these special birds. Birds that need older birds. Do they know where to preen? Yeah, they usually preen heads because you can't get heads, but Coco just loves to preen, obviously. Maybe not her back, because that might get her a little bit hormonal. Her head is better. Oh yeah, when Cookie followed Newman out, it was so cute. We've got a lot of fantastic moments on live. And Elsie just wants me to. He's on the other side here, but I've got to keep an eye on these cockatoos. What a good girl you are. It's just another nice thing that, another form of enrichment these two can have. I don't think Coco knows that Coco's nervous of being bit. So that's good that she has respect. What are you doing, you little cutie patooties? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah. I still have to clean the bird room. So what else is going on, Mr. Oakley? What have we done? Oakley clean. Oakley, just took her spot. What's Oakley been doing? He's been watching me in the kitchen. What else has he been doing? He's been, sitting on my lap, been yelling. He contact calls with the cockatoos, which is not that fun. I can't see. We had naps, right? Mama has good naps. Thank you, Lorraine. When you go hang out with Coco? Look at this guy. You have goldfish wings. Look at the little goldfishes. Look at the little goldfishes. If I had known that these are such nice birds, oh my gosh. I'd only get these kind. Pretty bird? No, he doesn't like you on his stuff, Coco. Thank you, Lorraine. Thanks, everyone, tonight. Totally changed the dynamics in the house, eh, Oakley? Wait, did Coco and Rue start becoming friends when Oakley came in? I think so. Yes or no? Who remembers? I don't know if Oakley likes bass. I don't want to muck around with him until he's trust me. The Brady Bunch. Hi. Where'd all this bird food come from? You've been eating pellets on my lap. Yeah, they did. It was when Oakley came. Where's Coco going, Rue? You go see what she's up to. Look at Oakley. He's starting to get a little bit jealous. You can't be possessive here, Oakley, because I got a lot of birdies, right? Yeah. Where's Coco going? She's going to see Brad. Where are you going? I wonder if do you think Oakley was the catalyst for this? The Birdie Bunch. I don't know. I don't know if preening releases endorphins. Well, it's kind of a mating thing, for sure. Where you going, Coco? Another thing Coco's been doing is bugging Duncan. Yeah, Oakley did too. I had a funny feeling he would. I thought long and hard about Oakley, and just something hit me that, like, yeah, yeah, let's do it. I didn't know what kind of bird he was. All I knew is he couldn't walk good. What are you doing, Brad? What are you doing? Izzy's been good. She was on a starvation streak. She finally ate tonight. Come back here, Coco. Come hang out with us. Look at her run. Coco used to be the sickly one. Remember Coco? Are you dancing to get my attention now? No, don't do that. You don't be like that. Coco, don't. He's kind of cranky right now. Here, come sit on my lap. No, Coco. Oh, sorry. He's kind of a cranky boy. Here. He's probably tired. He's been out a long time. Here. You start biting everyone, that won't be good. Hold on. Probably things are getting. Brad, Coco's over there. Don't be like that, okay? We're all friends. We're all family here, right? Maybe you can be friends with Rue. Watch out, Rue. They are like little kids. Hello. Did you hear that? Rue just says, hello. Yeah, we took out our tree down. Brad likes to take it down as quick as possible. Yeah, usually it's Boxing Day, but we took it down the day after because Jensen was still here. Did you say hi to Rue? That was nice. Hi. 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 How many highs can one say? You leave it up a long time? Well, I get it's nice when it goes up, but then it gets kind of cluttery. And then once it goes away, you're just like, no clutter. Here comes Coco strutting along. Come on, you guys. I'm trying to get you guys to see what the goings on. Hi. Are you saying hi to me? No, be nice, Rue. Hi. See how they crawl all over me? Who'd imagine these two would be sitting together like this, eh? Hi. Who are you going to sit with? Newman? Yeah, you play footsies, don't ya? You play footsies. No rings. No rings, honey. You need a bath though, right? Where's Coco? Come on, Coco. Come and hang out with us. You just gotta. Oakley's gotta go back to the vet on the 15th to get checked. You better just be there in one piece, okay? Don't fight with anybody. I'll get in trouble. Let's see. Hi. Hi. Hello. Okay, what's going on? We're gonna have to end this soon. I gotta get everyone organized. Play with her tail. If you're just joining us, Nikki told me that they need food. So a lot of the money that we raise will be going to food for the birds, and then the rest will go to toys. I buy the food, like the amount I shared was in Canadian dollars because I did the currency exchange. So some of it, I don't know, I'll explain it to you when I post about it. I'm glad I didn't transfer it over to Canadian. Trail of buttons. I think you guys will probably get in trouble together. What do you think? Oh, okay, so the fundraiser, remember it was for toys? Nest Mom said that they really need food there and it's expensive. So she wants a lot of the money to go to food, if that's possible. Yeah, they need food. Because they eat Harrison's, which is like the most expensive food you can get. Yes, Newman, you can come sit out with us too. Hi. Look at, they're both playing with that box together. Isn't that cute? They're the new Cookie and Newman, aren't they? And what are you, Oakley? You're the new Mama's boy. No, Cookie. Yeah, we got enough. Don't need enough. I don't want to ask for too much. We got it. Are you guys going to go play in that box? What are you doing here? Look at them. They are acting like sisters. Hi. Oh, Coco went right in there. Rue's too, hi. Rue's too nervous. They did need a friend. That's the best thing you can ask for is friends. Pet friends. Ooh. I'm a little tired with these guys. Yeah, they'll get toys too. I'm not going to go without toys. Oh, and walnuts too. Walnuts. Hi. The box. Okay, Oakley, hi. I'll pet you. Dogs and cats are restless. Are you being silly so I'll pick you up? This is so funny, you guys, isn't it? Kitty and Sid are so above it all. Hi. Hi. Maybe you could be friends with Newman. Yeah, definitely nesting. Okay, you got the sillies. What's she doing in there? She's playing, Rue. You like to play? Hi. Oh, boy. What a mess. Oh, there's the vent. Oh, no. Be nice. Hey, Coco. Playtime's over. Playtime's over. There we go. Ended with a bang. Ah, I can't. Well, I do feel a little stressed when all that stuff's going on. So, anyways, thanks everyone for watching. Friends fight, I guess. They bicker. Newman and Cookie used to bicker a bit. I gotta clean up this house now. Get everyone something to eat. Mash time. Thanks everyone for watching. Good night.